Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BIM Structures. So this tutorial is about roofs, how we can create roofs in Revit. So to create a roof, firstly we make some walls. Click here. Let's create roof. We have option here. Want to create a roof on level 2 or level 1. We want to create a roof on level 2. Click yes. So here you can see we have different options: line, rectangle, circle, and these are the curve options, radius options. This is the pick wall option. This is the pick line option. And let's choose pick wall option. And here we have the base level, offset, and these are the other properties. So let's click here, click here. So this is the option of define slope, whether you want to a sloped roof or a flat roof. And we want a sloped roof. So simply click here, finish, attach. So we have created a roof. So let's go in 3D view. So you can see we have created a roof here. Let's change the bevel style to consistent color. So let's click here. We can change the slope of this roof. I'm simply dragging this option. One can increase or decrease the slope of this roof. Let's check another option. Click on edit. We do not want to give slope on these sides. So let's click here, then uncheck this option. Again click here and then uncheck this option. Click finish. So you can see the slope of these faces removed, and we have only slope in these faces. So in this way we can create roofs. So let's firstly click here and remove this one again. So the purpose of again creating this wall is to how we can join this wall to this roof. Sometimes this will not join automatically, we have to join it manually. So how we can join this wall to this row? So you can see if we try to join this wall, this roof by simply dragging it, so we cannot join it. So we have to firstly pick this wall, and here is the option of attach top or base. So to attach this wall to roof, we firstly click here, attach, then we have to pick a roof. Click here. As you can see, we have attached the wall to roof. Again select this wall. We want to attach this wall to roof. Click here and then pick a roof. Simply click here. So in this way we can attach the walls to roof. So let's check other properties of roof. Click here. So we can change the slope manually by assigning any slope. Here is the option of slope. These are the different options. So we want a slope of click. Maybe small slope. Let's click in You can see this is a very less slope. So in this way we can create the sloped roofs. Okay. By simply dragging. So let's again here. See, if you want to select the first level, then it convert into first level. So let's we want to second level, simply click here. So let's now we want to create a flat roof. Simply delete this first and then again select all the walls and give them the base level 1 and then the top base level 2. Click here. So again in level 1 select level 2. So let's check rectangle. So here is the option of define slope. We can uncheck this. Here is the offset and here is the radius, and that's we want a radius of 1 feet. A radius of 1 feet. We can change the radius or 2 feet radius. This will be in 2 feet radius. Again we can change the radius. Here again in 3D view you can see we have created a flat roof on the walls. Also create openings on this roof. So we want to create an opening on this roof for staircase. So add footprint. Next we want to create a staircase here. So we have to create an opening. That's 5 by 6 feet. Click here and then finish. We can see we have created an opening here. Again change the size of opening. Simply click here. Edit footprint. Let's we want 8 feet and in this side we want 7 feet. So in this way we can create openings in roofs. So this is the basic tutorial about roof. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.